Yeah, phone in hand on the Amazon. KP70YCT. When you're on your phone, pretty much the whole world is a blind spot, and cyclists should take care. Pulse of traffic coming, after which there's a gap. Let's place it here. You're lucky you put the phone away. Oh, you didn't put it away. Can't be holding a phone.
Just checking how the road just got in.
That's still not good enough, man.
That's a cycle lane. That's a cycle lane. You
So is this, idiot.
No, this is not.
Stupid man. What's that? MY20HEB. Well, maybe he wants to check the old highway code a little bit better. Somewhere up here I'll pop a, I guess up here I'll pop a little picture of the highway code. I mean, there's good reason for me not using the cycle lane, even though this is one of the best cycle lanes in the whole of the UK. Oh, too late. Should you be making a phone call?
No, I wasn't actually.
Is that why it had a hang-up screen and a dialing screen and it was held up to your ear?
I wasn't.
With, I could easily see the grey charge cable and I could see the lit up phone screen.
It was a YouTube thing. I was just
No, it
checking.
wasn't. 60 frames a second will prove you not to be telling the truth now.
Look,
It's going to cost you a lot?
I'm listening.
Yes, yes. Screen's still on, I can see. Terrible. FY17ADZ white Mitsubishi. Oh, what a stink of exhaust here. Ah, I thought I saw him on the phone. Look at the WhatsApp gap again. We've got to wait for the guy. That's often a sign of a distracted driver, is when they leave a big gap and then zoom off when they suddenly realise. It's one of the reasons. Ah yes, good phone call going on, very clear screen, lovely, 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 lovely. Hi, you got to put that phone down. So I'm going to report that to the police. I thought he was on the phone earlier. I could see this guy and this lady are looking up. That rear view mirror gives such a good indication of... That's a little too close to this gent's nice Merc. Okay, he looks a bit down in his... That's good, I think it was this man. Oh, very clearly watching a video. And doesn't make any difference, does it? RK17LDA. I normally wouldn't like to go in front of such a driver, but his movements are really quite tame and placid, so I don't have much fear for him getting physical. Just rolling smoke.